The packet sent by a node to the source to inform it of congestion is called explicit, discard, choke, and back pressure. So there is a special type of packet which will be sent by a node to the source node, who is actually sending packets to the destination or target nodes to inform it that a congestion has occurred. So what is the name of that packet? So explicit, discard, or choke packet, or back pressure. So here for this answer, we'll be going for this answer, that is the answer number C. So we'll be going for this choke. So that is the correct answer here. So let me go for some discussion on it. A choke packet is used. So here we are discussing what is a choke packet. A choke packet is used in network maintenance and quality management to inform a specific node or transmitter that its transmitted traffic is creating congestion over the network. So to inform that one that the transmitted traffic by the respective node is creating some congestion over the node, over the network. So congestion is the main issue for which the choke packet will be sent, and this forces the node or transmitter to reduce its output rate. So now we are actually giving the suggestions to the respective transmitter and the source node to reduce its output rate so that the congestion problem can get solved here. So choke packets are used for congestion and flow control over a respective network. So that is the answer. So we'll be going for this answer number C for the question, that what is the name of the packet sent by a node to the source to inform it of congestion is called the choke packet.